In this video, we look at the assembly structures followed in the two schools. The teachers and the HM talk about the objective of the assembly and how it helps in building the social and personal development of students. Social and emotional skills are important for students to develop skills such as working in a team, following directions, demonstrating self control, paying attention, and displaying leadership skills.
So we start from Monday with 10th standard. So we don't start with the 5th standard for the first half term. Second term we start with the 5th standard. So this is the sequence in which we go for the assembly. And it is roll number wise so that all students get. They can also choose the best one for paper reading because that is directly done. Who are little weak, they can give the simple thing like a pledge, order because they are done every day. So this is how they can also arrange this system. So every child gets the opportunity to come in the assembly. Almost 25% or 50% of the school performance can be presented in front of the assembly because not all teachers goes to all the standards or all the classes. So that is one purpose. We can know each child how it is because how he speaks, how he gives the order, how much prepared. See, some people teacher is preparing. They read without looking, some read with looking, some they prepare themselves and they read. So if this is my turn, I will like to speak on this topic. So this is how we can really know which student is good. Plus they know the importance of each day because I have also put some important days. So we normally have the assembly based on that day. First thing, as you know, they know how to come and stand in a line. So from the classroom they are standing in a line. So that is first discipline. Secondly, they know how to give order. They are saying the pledge, so they have the national integrity. Then we are also taking everyday cleanliness pledge and whatever the laziness, the sleep, etc., where that prayers, it goes and they are fresh. And then thought for the day. Every day we should have different good thoughts. Followed by the thought is any article reading or skit play, song. So with this article reading, they know the importance of each thing.
When we give the student to chance speak on the stage fear from the students goes from their heart, so they can easily communicate themselves in the social, in the community as well as at home and also with the teachers.
The assembly teaches them a lot, no? First, the etiquettes, like when you are in a group, how you have to stand, what are the ways you have to do, the mannerism, the etiquettes, the learning when you are together. This is there. So they learn a lot in assembly like this. Then uniform, it should be clean. When they stand in assembly, they look at each other and they just see, Are my dress is not very clean as well as you. So next day I have to come very clean. Then in an assembly we check sometimes the nails, everything, all those things, the hair, all those things are checked. So they learn the cleanliness. Then they learn about the new things like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. We'll take that topic. So in an assembly they come to know this is happening. They live in a society, different types of classes they stay. So when they come here, they are one. The uniform tells them that we are not different from the others.
So our assembly is based on the current affairs and mainly to inculcate the leadership of the students or the leadership qualities so they can overcome the stage fear.
आमकां पयलीं भिरांत दिसताली स्टेजीर म्हाका आतां भिरांत दिसना कित्याक आमकां एसेंब्ली रावपा टिचर्स बी सपोर्ट करताय आनी आमच्या स्कुलान एसेंब्ली नंबर वायज करताय 1 to 3 मागीर मुखार येयले म्हणटरी स्टेजीर बी वादाक म्हण अशें करता.
I love my assembly and prayers too, and the information teachers give, I try to keep it in my mind and use it in day-to-day life. And from the assembly information, we learn punctuality and being a good human and good habits and good manners. One day our teachers told a story of helping a human. One day a boy helped a old woman. That story I also used it and I helped my neighbors.
Okay. The next few slides give us an overview of how to plan a school assembly. These are few general pointers to use and not an exhaustive list.